Now that we're done with side 1, we're going to flip the paper over and go to page 2. It looks like this, where we're going to continue to work on our coordinating conjunctions or our fanboys. So, step 1, you're going to need to read the sentences. Step 2, you're going to need to combine the 2 sentences into one using one of the conjunctions in the box. So, again, we're looking at the 2 sentences and we're determining which conjunction works. We're going to need to take away the periods, and we're going to need to make sure we have all of our letters being lowercase after the conjunction and make the 2 sentences one. If you want to use our board over here, the student work where it has the correct examples of all of these conjunctions, you can, but I do expect us to complete this worksheet. If you finish before the timer, again, do Lexia. My email is on the board. Good luck. I know the hyenas are going to crush this one. Let's get going.